Before buying a router for your table, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about how crucial the right router is for achieving smooth cuts and precision in woodworking. Product number 1, Bosch RA 1141 Portable Router Table. First up is the Bosch RA 1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. Priced at $174.99, this table caught my eye with its ultra-portable design and great reviews. If you want a router table that you can easily set up and take down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The folding legs mean you can set it up in minutes and then store it away without taking up too much space. With a 15-amp motor, it delivers solid power for various routing needs. The laminated MDF top ensures smooth and accurate cuts, which is essential when you're trying to achieve that perfect finish. Plus, the onboard storage is super handy for keeping your bits organized. Now, some people complained about its size being too small for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you're working on standard-sized pieces or just starting out, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for hobbyists or those with limited workshop space. This is perfect for you if you need something portable and easy to store. Skip this one if you regularly handle larger workpieces. At this price point, it delivers solid value for what you get. Now, if the Bosch RA 1141 size is a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bosch RA 1171 Router Table. Next is the Bosch RA 1171. Coming in at $255.99, this cabinet-style router table offers a bit more stability and features than the previous model. If you're serious about your woodworking and need a solid setup, this one deserves your attention. The tall aluminum fence is a standout feature, measuring 4.78 inches high, which makes it easier to handle taller stock. This matters because it allows for better control and accuracy when you're jointing or milling. Plus, it has 2 dust collection ports, so cleanup is a breeze. No one likes a messy workspace. With the included adjustable featherboards, you get additional kickback protection, which is crucial for safety. Now, some users mention that the assembly process can be a bit tedious. But honestly, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the accuracy and convenience it offers. If you're committed to your craft, the setup time is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a more stable option for serious projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something super portable or easy to store. Overall, it provides great value for the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Bosch RA 1181 Router Table. Now let's talk about the Bosch RA 1181, priced at $200.69. With a 4.5-star rating and over 5,000 reviews, this one really stands out. If you want reliability and precision, this router table is definitely worth considering. The large aluminum top gives you a great extended work area, which is essential when you're dealing with bigger projects. Here's why this matters. You can adjust the height from above the table, saving you time and hassle when making changes mid-project. Plus, it has a dedicated dust collection port to keep your workspace tidy. However, some users found the lack of a fence adjustment feature frustrating. I'll be real with you, while that could be a downside for some, many users find that the stable design compensates for it quite well. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy, reliable table for various project sizes. Skip this one if you need a highly adjustable fence setup. Considering the features, it's a solid buy. Now, if you're looking for extra safety in your setup, the next product on our list might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, POWRTEC Push Block and Stick Set. Coming up next is the POWRTEC Push Block and Stick Set, priced at just $19.77. I found this to be a must-have for anyone using a router table. If safety is your priority, this set is definitely something you'll want to include in your toolkit. This 5-piece set includes a variety of push blocks and sticks designed to keep your hands safely away from the blades while guiding wood through the router. This is crucial because it reduces kickback and helps you maintain control while cutting. The ergonomic handles make them comfortable to use, which is a big plus when you're working on long projects. Some buyers mentioned that they would have liked a few more sticks for versatility. Here's the thing though, while a few extra pieces would be nice, this set covers the essentials needed for most woodworking tasks. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and control in your woodworking. Skip this one if you already have a comprehensive push block set. At this price, you can't go wrong. Alright, that wraps up our safety essentials. But if you're after precision adjustments, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift. Finally, we have the Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift, priced at $349. If you want the best in precision and control, this router lift is impressive and worth a closer look. The precise router lift adjustment allows for above-the-table setup changes down to 1/64", which is incredible for detailed work. The hard anodized aluminum plate won't sag, ensuring consistent performance over time. Now, some might find the price steep for just a lift, but honestly, for those looking to invest in their craft, the precision and durability you get here can save you time and frustration in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're serious about woodworking and need precision in your projects. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. When it comes to value, it's an investment that can pay off big time. So to wrap it all up, we've covered a range of routers and setups. The Bosch RA 1141 is great for portability. The RA 1171 offers stability and features. The RA 1181 gives reliability. The POWRTEC set ensures safety, and the Kreg PRS 5000 stands out for precision. Each of these has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy woodworking!